High-protein low-carb diet. A high-protein low-carb diet can be one of the most effective ways to lose weight quickly, according to research like the 2023 review in the Journal of Obesity and Metabolic Syndrome. Protein does a great job of helping you feel fuller longer, which is especially helpful when cutting calories and limiting your carb intake. While low-carb diets like the ketogenic diet and Atkins diet restrict carbs to as low as 20 grams per day, you don't have to go that low to see weight loss benefits. Eating too few carbohydrates can make weight loss harder because you miss out on key nutrients, like fiber from whole grains and legumes, that help you to feel full and satisfied with fewer calories. So what can you eat on a high-protein, low-carb diet? As you will see, there are plenty of delicious, healthy foods to fill your day with while following this eating plan. See more of our healthy low-carb meal plans, like this 7-day low-carb meal plan to lose weight. In this high-protein, low-carb week-long meal plan, we keep the carbs at no more than 120 grams per day while still meeting the recommended 30 grams of fiber each day from fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, like berries, edamame, and hardy kale. You'll still see some traditional carbs in the plan, like beans and chickpeas, because they are healthy foods that you don't need to fully exclude in order to eat low-carb. To make up for the lower amount of carbs, we packed in high-protein foods like chicken, eggs, and lean beef to exceed the daily minimum recommended amount of 50 grams per day, and added healthy fat sources like almonds, olive oil, and peanut butter to get the calories up to 1,400. In this easy-to-follow meal plan, we've included simple meal prep tips you can follow at the beginning of the week to set yourself up for success during the busy weekdays. This low-calorie, low-carb, high-protein combination will help you lose weight without feeling deprived or starved. With the calorie count set at 1,400 calories, you can expect to lose a healthy 1 to 2 pounds per week. Looking for a lower calorie level? See this meal plan at 1,200 calories. How to meal prep your week of meals. 1. Make the flourless banana chocolate chip mini muffins for breakfast on days 2 and 3 and as a snack on days 1 and 4. 2. Prep the chicken sauté bowls with spicy peanut sauce to have for lunch on days 2, 3, 4 and 5. Day 1. In order to keep your carbs on the lower end, you are most often cutting out fiber-rich foods like whole grains, beans, and legumes. Therefore, we make sure to pack this low-carb plan with at least 30 grams of fiber per day, mostly from fruits, vegetables, and some whole grains and legumes. This ensures that you are still getting the nutritional benefits of fiber, like gut health and satisfaction, while keeping carbs in check. Breakfast, 355 calories, 16 g protein, 32 g carbs. 1 serving egg in a whole peppers with avocado salsa. 2 clementines. A.M. Snack, 238 calories, 7 g protein, 27 g carbs. 1 cup blueberries. 20 unsalted almonds. Lunch, 322 calories, 22 g protein, 11 g carbs. 1 serving salmon salad stuffed avocado. P.M. Snack, 78 calories, 1 g protein, 11 g carbs. 1 flourless banana chocolate chip mini muffin. Dinner, 389 calories, 10 g protein, 36 g carbs. 1 serving white bean sage cauliflower gnocchi. 2 cups mixed salad greens. 1 tablespoon Caesar salad dressing. 1/4 cup chopped tomato. 1/4 cup chopped cucumber. 3 tablespoon diced avocado. Toss salad greens with dressing, tomato, cucumber and avocado. Daily totals, 1,382 calories, 69 g fat, 32 g fiber, 103 g carbohydrates, 50 g protein, 1,565 milligrams sodium. Day 2. To keep carbs low today, we included flourless banana chocolate chip muffins made from oats, bananas, and eggs, and swapped in zucchini noodles for regular pasta in tonight's dinner. To make sure you are still getting adequate amounts of both carbohydrates and fiber, we filled in the rest of the day with nutrient-rich foods like blackberries, edamame, and a serving of whole wheat baguette at dinner to sop up any of the delicious leftover juice from the scampi. Breakfast, 352 calories, 27 g protein, 45 g carbs. 2 flourless banana chocolate chip mini muffins. 1 cup raspberries. 1 cup non-fat Greek yogurt. AM. Snack, 62 calories, 2g protein, 14g carbs. 1 cup blackberries. Lunch, 351 calories, 28g protein, 14g carbs. 1 serving chicken satay bowls with spicy peanut sauce. PM. Snack, 200 calories, 16g protein, 18g carbs. 1 cup shelled edamame, seasoned with coarse salt and pepper to taste. Dinner, 448 calories, 31g protein, 34g carbs. 1 serving of shrimp scampi zoodles. 1 2-inch slice whole wheat baguette. 1 teaspoon of olive oil to brush on the baguette. Daily totals: 1,414 calories, 105g protein, 125g carbs, 33g fiber, 56g fat, 1,811 milligrams sodium. Day 3. Just a single cup of raspberries contains 8 grams of filling fiber with only 15 grams of carbs, which is why you'll see them often on this simple high-protein, low-carb meal plan. High-fiber foods tend to be more filling than low-fiber foods, so you're likely to eat less and stay satisfied longer, which is especially important when cutting calories to lose weight. Breakfast, 352 calories, 27g protein, 45g carbs. 2 flourless banana chocolate chip mini muffins. 1 cup raspberries. 1 cup non-fat Greek yogurt. AM. Snack, 262 calories, 8g protein, 25g carbs. 25 unsalted almonds. 2 clementines. Lunch, 351 calories, 28g protein, 14g carbs. 1 serving chicken satay bowls with spicy peanut sauce. PM. Snack, 62 calories, 2g protein, 14g carbs. 1 cup blackberries. Dinner, 378 calories, 32g protein, 31g carbs. Daily totals: 1,406 calories, 97g protein, 128g carbs, 43g fiber, 62g fat, 1,307 milligrams sodium. Day 4. In addition to being a great source of protein, which helps maintain muscle mass while you're losing weight, salmon is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, essential fats that you must get in your diet. Roasted salmon is served over low-carb Veggielicious kale and chickpea, healthy carbs you can definitely still be eating, even when following a low-carb diet. Breakfast, 269 calories, 26g protein, 33g carbs. 1 cup non-fat plain Greek yogurt. 1 cup raspberries. 1 teaspoon honey. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. AM. Snack, 262 calories, 18g protein, 32g carbs. 1 cup shelled edamame, seasoned with coarse salt and pepper to taste. 1 cup blackberries. Lunch, 351 calories, 28g protein, 14g carbs. 1 serving chicken satay bowls with spicy peanut sauce. PM. Snack, 78 calories, 1g protein, 11g carbs. 1 flourless banana chocolate chip mini muffin. Dinner, 447 calories, 37g protein, 23g carbs. 1 serving roasted salmon with smoky chickpeas and greens. Daily totals: 1,407 calories, 111g protein, 114g carbs, 39g fiber, 57g fat, 1,505 milligrams sodium. Day 5. Our high-protein weight loss meal plan includes fiber-rich carbohydrates, like those from berries, white beans, and broccoli. Dinner tonight packs in 15 grams of protein, which not only helps you feel full but also may help with weight loss. Breakfast, 259 calories, 15g protein, 10g carbs. 1 serving low-carb bacon and broccoli egg burrito. AM. Snack, 218 calories, 7g protein, 20g carbs. 1 cup raspberries. 20 unsalted almonds. Lunch, 351 calories, 28 g protein, 14 g carbs. 1 serving chicken satay bowls with spicy peanut sauce. PM. Snack, 129 calories, 6 g protein, 14 g carbs. A quarter cup hummus. For celery stalks, cut into stalks. Dinner, 442 calories, 15 g protein, 50 g carbs. 1 serving vegan pesto spaghetti squash with mushrooms and sun-dried tomatoes. 2/3 cup no salt added canned white beans, rinsed. Stir beans into an individual portion of the spaghetti squash and sauce. Daily totals, 1,407 calories, 111 g protein, 114 g carbs, 39 g fiber, 57 g fat, 1,505 milligrams sodium. Day 6. Yes, you can still eat cheese and lose weight. String cheese is a great midday snack, especially when paired with fiber-rich raspberries. The combination of protein and fiber increases satisfaction and can tide you over until your next meal. Breakfast, 269 calories, 26 g protein, 33 g carbs. 1 cup non-fat plain Greek yogurt. 1 cup raspberries. 1 teaspoon honey. 1 tablespoon chia seeds. AM. Snack, 128 calories, 6 g protein, 22 g carbs. 1 small apple. 1 string cheese. Lunch, 351 calories, 22 g protein, 14 g carbs. 1 serving chicken satay bowls with spicy peanut sauce. PM. Snack, 180 calories, 6 g protein, 19 g carbs. 1 cup raspberries. 15 unsalted almonds. Dinner, 479 calories, 25 g protein, 28 g carbs. Meal prep tip, save 1 serving of the taco lettuce wraps to have for lunch on day 7. When preparing the pineapple and avocado salad, set aside 1/4 of an avocado and half a cup of pineapple before dressing it with the vinaigrette to have for lunch on day 7. Daily totals, 1,406 calories, 91 g protein, 115 g carbs, 39 g fiber, 70 g fat, 1,170 milligrams sodium. Day 7. Lettuce takes the place of tortillas in our low-carb, gluten-free taco lettuce wraps. Stuffed with lean ground beef, jicama, avocado, and salsa and a whopping 23 grams of protein per serving, this lunch will keep you feeling full for hours. Breakfast, 278 calories, 19 g protein, 22 g carbs. 1 serving of spring green frittata. 1 cup raspberries. AM. Snack, 154 calories, 5 g protein, 5 g carbs. 20 unsalted almonds. Lunch, 431 calories, 25 g protein, 28 g carbs. 1 serving taco lettuce wraps. 1/4 avocado, sliced. Half a cup sliced pineapple. Combine avocado and pineapple with 1 teaspoon lime juice and a pinch of salt. PM. Snack, 62 calories, 2 g protein, 14 g carbs. 1 cup blackberries. Dinner, 480 calories, 33 g protein, 45 g carbs. 1 serving zucchini lasagna. 1 2-inch slice whole wheat baguette. Daily totals, 1,405 calories, 84 g protein, 113 g carbs, 35 g fiber, 71 g fat, 1,685 milligrams sodium.